In a world both beautiful and brutal, they carved out existence one moment at a time, guided by instinct, shaped by nature, bonded by survival. This is not just the story of how they lived, it is the story of how we began. The first light of dawn spills across an ancient valley untouched by cities or machines. Mist rises from the river, and in the shadow of a limestone cliff, a flicker of orange glows, embers from a fire tended through the night. A small band of early humans stirs. No alarms, no clocks, only the rhythm of the sun and the pulse of survival. Their day begins not with leisure, but with purpose. One member rekindles the fire with dry moss and bark. Another walks to a nearby spring, using a hollowed gourd to scoop water. The group moves with quiet efficiency. Each person knows their task. Today might bring danger, but also discovery. As the sun climbs, roles diverge. A group of hunters prepares simple spears, carefully carved from straight branches, tips hardened in fire. They study animal tracks in the soil. Meanwhile, others walk through the forest, identifying edible roots, fruits, and medicinal herbs. Young ones observe and mimic, learning through doing. The hunters creep through the tall grass. They know the terrain. A herd of deer grazes by the riverbank. Timing is everything. A well-thrown spear can mean survival. Not far off, gatherers fill woven baskets with berries and tubers, testing each plant with practiced care. By midday, heat settles in. The band returns to their shelter, an oval-shaped hut made of branches and animal hides. Some rest. Others prepare the day's findings. Meat is roasted, roots are crushed, seeds are sorted, stone tools are sharpened, baskets repaired. Even in rest, hands are busy. As the shadows lengthen, the camp gathers around the fire. A mother sews hides using a bone needle, while an elder carves a simple figure into bone, perhaps a memory or God. Stories are shared, not just entertainment, but survival lessons. How to find food, escape predators, heal wounds. One begins to hum. Another taps rhythm on a hollowed log. Someone holds a bone flute, its notes drifting into the twilight. Nearby, red ochre is smeared on a rock. Symbols of meaning, of belief. They don't just live, they express, create, imagine. Their art speaks across millennia. Their shelter is no random pile, it's engineered. Animal bones form a windbreak. Fires are placed strategically for warmth and safety. Trash is carried away, tools organized, sleeping spaces arranged. These early humans practiced a kind of order, primitive but purposeful. In the corner, a woman helps a limping elder sit. Her leg was broken seasons ago, but she survived because the group supported her. They share food with the sick, clean wounds, chew medicinal bark. In their struggle to live, they found space for compassion. Night returns. The stars emerge, the same stars we see. The fire dims, but never dies. These people, our ancestors, dream under the sky, just as we do. They didn't just survive the Paleolithic, they shaped it. And in many ways, they shaped us too. As night falls over the ancient land, another day of survival draws to a close. They had no history books, no clocks, no names for the stars. And yet, they lived with purpose, loved with depth, and dreamed of tomorrow. We are their future. They are our beginning.